Most people want to grow, they just don't know how to make it stick. They start strong, set goals, build momentum, and then life gets in the way. Here's the truth. You don't need a huge transformation. You need a better system, starting with your mind. Let's talk about how to rewire your brain for focus, discipline, and sustainable growth. Not with hype, but with real practical neuroscience and everyday strategies that work. Your brain is constantly rewiring itself. It's called neuroplasticity. Every thought you repeat, every action you take, every habit you reinforce, it leaves a trail. And those trails become your defaults. If you want to become more focused, more consistent, more disciplined, you have to train your mind like a muscle. It starts small, one decision at a time, one small win at a time, 1% better every day. Let's break it down. First, change your identity, not just your goals. Don't say, "I want to be more productive." Say, "I am someone who honors my time." Don't say, "I'll try to wake up early." Say, "I'm the kind of person who gets up when it's hard." Your habits follow your identity. So decide who you are and act like it. Second, use daily anchors. Set a 10-minute window every morning for quiet focus. No phone. Start your day by reviewing your goals, journaling one clear intention, or meditating. This single act trains your mind to choose clarity over chaos. Third, practice the friction flip. If something's too hard, simplify it. If something's too easy, challenge it. Example: instead of forcing a 60-minute workout, commit to 5 minutes, but daily. Instead of scrolling after work, set a 10-minute timer to work on a personal goal. That little shift creates a habit, and habits create identity. Fourth, embrace imperfection. Growth isn't linear. You will fall off. You will get distracted. That's okay. The key isn't never breaking the streak. The key is getting back on track, faster, with less drama and more awareness. The 1% rule isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. It's about trusting that today's small action will shape tomorrow's stronger identity. You don't need to hustle harder. You need to think differently and act intentionally. This is how you reprogram your brain. This is how you grow, one day, one choice, 1% at a time. So if you're ready to grow smarter, faster, and freer, not just for a week, but for life, this is your moment. Your next breakthrough won't come from doing more. It will come from doing things differently. This is NextMindset, and this is how transformation starts. One thought, one habit, 1% at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.